Hello, Royals of the Empire. I just found a YouTube channel that's absolutely blowing up. And guess what? It only has a few videos. Their very first video hit 17 million views. Yes, 17 million. And the rest? They're pulling in thousands of likes, comments, and shares. With less than 10 shorts, this channel has already gained close to 50,000 subscribers. Now here's the hidden gem. This niche is completely unsaturated. I checked TikTok. I checked Instagram. No one is doing it there. And on YouTube, only one creator. This is your golden opportunity to ride the wave before it gets crowded. So stay tuned and pay close attention, because I'm about to show you how to create these viral videos using 100% free AI tools. To make things easier, I have created some ready-made prompts, which is available in the description. Copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. It will analyze it and give you 50 different top 10 lists around the world. Now go through it and select the one you prefer to make videos with. For this video, I have selected top 10 phone brands in the world. Open a new chat in ChatGPT and paste the second prompt. Don't forget to change the topic to your selected one. For this setting, I've changed the topic to top 10 phone brands. At first, ChatGPT would give you a general prompt that you can edit and generate your image, but if you need a more simpler option, ask it to continue for the rest of the brands. The next thing is to generate the images. We will be using ImageFX, a powerful and completely free image generation AI from Google. Open the site using the link in the description and sign in using your Google account. Copy the first image generation prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Google ImageFX. Click on Settings and change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Now hit Generate. Download your preferred one by clicking on this icon. Repeat the process for the rest of the 10 images. The images are now ready. The next thing is to animate using Image to Video AI. For this video, we will be using Hailuo AI. Open the site by clicking on the link in the description and sign in with your Google account if you are required to do so. Upload your image by clicking on this icon. Here is the prompt box where you can write how you want the animation to be for this image. I writes both walking in a futuristic city. Then click on the Create button. As you can see here, it says one job in queue. Now you can remove the image and upload the second one. Repeat the process for all the images available.
One eternity later.
Click here to see the progress of your animation. As you can see, all it's ready, preview it and save it to your device. With this, we comes to the last step, which is editing. Open CapCut and import all your videos. Drag it until the watermark completely disappear. Then write each company name on its image. You can also add a background music to make it more engaging, but make sure you use music that you won't get any copyright issue. Export in the higher quality available, and your video is ready for publishing. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI video content.